Hey everybody, Chaz here. In this video I will be talking about the upcoming OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. So the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro are expected to launch very soon. The expected launch date is on the 14th of April, which isn't all that far away now. Now the OnePlus 7 Pro last year had some really innovative tech, such as the pop-up camera, and it seems likely the OnePlus 8 may also have a lot of this innovation put into it. So first of all, let's look into the design. So first of all, for the design, it is rumoured that the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro may not have the pop-up camera like the OnePlus 7 Pro and the OnePlus 7T Pro. Instead, it may use the hole punch, which is a shame, to be fair, because the pop-up camera was really good and meant there would be no hole punch or notch or anything at the top of the screen, but this year it could be different. But the screen sizes have been leaked, so the OnePlus 8 will have a 6.4-inch display, whilst the OnePlus 8 Pro will have a 6.7-inch display, and also OnePlus have confirmed that they will not be going back to 60Hz displays, so you will now either get 90Hz or 120Hz. Now 120Hz is very likely, at least for the 8 Pro, as it is fairly new and OnePlus love to innovate with their phones, but OnePlus may decide to go with 90Hz for the regular 8 to keep the price down on that variant. Now let's move on to specs. So the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro are both going to have a Snapdragon 865 chip and are both likely to have 5G and not need a separate variant for 5G, as they will both likely be using the Qualcomm X55 modem, which has 5G built in. A spec leak also shows that they will have two storage options, 128GB and 256GB, which is kind of strange because I was expecting at least the 512GB storage option too. There are expected to be 8GB and 12GB RAM options, and it is likely the 128GB version will have 8GB RAM and the 256GB version will have 12GB of RAM, as is how it's worked in the past with recent phones, not only from OnePlus but also from OnePlus. The OnePlus 8 will probably have a 4000 mAh battery, while the 8 Pro will have a 4500 mAh battery for extra battery life. Next up, there's the camera. So early renders of the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro showed that the regular 8 will only have one front-facing camera, while the OnePlus 8 Pro will have two. The camera is likely to be 32 megapixels, and also the Pro will likely be getting 3D face recognition like Face ID on iPhones. Both will have three back cameras, one for main photos, one for wide camera, and one for telephoto camera. All three of these are pretty cool and new innovation. The OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro will definitely be launched running Android 10 and are likely to get the Android 11 update soon after it is released publicly. Also, there may be wireless charging, which is not featured on any other OnePlus phone, but the OnePlus 8 Pro may be getting it, which is great because almost all manufacturers have already adopted wireless charging for their flagships, and it would be a shame for OnePlus to be behind on this. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be notified each time I upload. Anyways, have a good day. See you next time, and goodbye.